If you're spending money on Google Ads but not booking jobs, you're not alone. And you're probably making one of four mistakes. And some of these can quietly drain thousands of dollars a month without you even realizing it. So, in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what's wrong and possibly how to fix it. I'm Christina Hawkins, and this is Moving Marketing Results. So let's start with the big picture. Most moving companies don't have an ad problem, they have a system problem. Because when your ads are set up correctly, they should bring in consistent leads that you can then sell and book. When they don't, something is broken, and usually it's either the campaign itself or on the other end, the sales. First, and this is a big one, your ads are showing up in the wrong locations. If you serve only 30-mile, 50, 100-mile radius, your ad should stay inside that radius. But a lot of companies end up paying for clicks from people completely different locations, too far away, different states. And here's why. Inside Google Ads, there's a setting that sounds somewhat harmless, but it changes everything. Quote, interested in this location. Instead, you want in this location. And that's one small switch that can instantly stop wasted spend and improve the quality of your leads. Now, here is where it gets worse. Even if your targeting is correct, you can still lose money fast if you're using the wrong setup. Second mistake, smart mode. Google pushes smart mode a lot because it's easy doesn't mean necessarily profitable. It removes a little bit too much control. If you actually want predictable results, you need to be using expert mode. That's where you control the keywords, your targeting, bidding, your budget, words that you don't want to show up. And without that control, you're basically guessing. Now, let's talk about what happens after someone clicks your ad, because this is where a lot of conversions are lost, which is the third mistake, sending traffic to your homepage. Your homepage is built for browsing. Paid ads need precision. When someone clicks your ad, they should land on a page with one clear goal, and that is to get a quote or call. Fill out the form or call, nothing else. That means a strong headline, clear service information, trust signals like reviews, and a clear next step. No extra links, no confusion, just a straight path to a conversion. Now, this next one is where most of the hidden waste happens, and almost no one really checks this, which is the fourth mistake. You're ignoring your search terms. This is one of the most valuable reports in your account. It shows you exactly what people typed before clicking your ad. And when you look at it, you'll usually find things like people searching for jobs, people looking for free boxes, people that are outside of your service area. Every one of those clicks will cost you money. So once a week, you should be adding negative keywords that tells Google what not to show your ads for. And this alone can save you hundreds of dollars a month and lower your cost per click. Now let's kind of zoom out for a second, because not all ads work the same way. Google ads and Facebook ads serve completely different purposes. Google ads are intent-based. Someone searching, literally searching for movers near me, is already looking to hire. That's why Google is your fastest path to quality leads and book jobs. Facebook is different. People aren't searching, they're scrolling. So your strategy there should be focusing on visibility, familiarity, and retargeting. That way, when someone is ready to book, they remember your company. Now, let's talk about budget, because this is where a lot of owners get stuck. Most people pick a number based on what feels comfortable, but your budget should be based on goals. Start with how many jobs you want each month. Then multiply that by how many leads it takes you to close one job. Multiply that by your average cost per click. That gives you a real working budget. If you're just starting out, keep it simple. Start in the range of $20 to $30 per day per campaign, then adjust that based on performance. This is all going to be really based on your competition. Obviously, the more competition, the more of an auction base that there is, which means it'll be a little bit more of a budget that you'll need. Now, before we wrap up, this is the habit that ties everything together. A 15-minute weekly check. You don't need to be in your ad account every single day, but once a week, you should pause anything that's wasting money, review your search terms, check your targeting, and test one new variation of your ad. That consistency is what improves performance over time. And don't forget that landing page. Double check that the landing page is working. You should be auditing that. There's a tool called Microsoft Clarity that'll you can see people using your ad. So here's the bottom line. If your ads aren't working, it's not random. There's always a reason for it. And in most cases, it comes back to budget, targeting, control, and focus. Fix those and your ads can become a system and not necessarily a gamble. And if you want help finding exactly where your ads are leaking money, go to Moving Marketing Results and you can request an audit or a consult and we'll have a great conversation. So you can go over there and book a strategy call right there from their website. Thanks so much, everybody. Please like and subscribe. You know, all the YouTube stuff. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.